The first sign of trouble began when he arrived late for the interview. Very late for the interview. And then in trying to, I don't know this man,
Wagwan bad people, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Hughes. I talk about the interview that he has done with Alkaline. The entertainer I talk about things about the interview and about the artist. Plus we also have Valiant. Such a man, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified if you're new to over here. Pick up yourself and make we jump right into it. So this video is going viral with Busta Rhymes. Yeah man, me see it over and Quest Times. Yeah, Busta Rhymes basically is not having a good time. It's like Busta Rhymes don't like the song. You see me, you can see it based off of his expressions in the video. You see me, everybody else have a good time, everybody else have a vibe, and Busta Rhymes just channel. You can see say the entertainer don't like the song based off of how he react. Viewers and subscribers. But big up Busta same way. You know what I mean? Hey, yeah man, one Busta Rhymes.
To teach me, put a little pressure on me, and so you're brawling.
Alright, so the storybook rhythm is occupying the entire top 3 spot, with Valiant Passenger Princess holding the #1 spot on Apple Music Jamaica and YouTube Music, followed by Massacre and Russian Rich Sex at #2, and Vibes Cartel and Russian Storybook Rhythm at #3 on Apple Music chart. So viewers and subscribers don't know, say, the Storybook Rhythm has been out like a month or two now, and you know, you have a lot of artists, a voice on the rhythm, and you know, yeah man. So big up to Russian and the artists them that have voice on the Storybook Rhythm. You know what I mean? To be honest, me feel like Valiant take the rhythm. You see me, even though you have some more artists still have voice on them song not drop as yet. Cause I think Skipper have a song on the rhythm, but he just don't drop as yet. But to me feel like Valiant take the rhythm, no joke. You see me? But the rest of the song them on the rhythm, it tough. But to me, in my opinion, I would say Valiant. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So big up to Valiant, big up to Vibes Cartel, they have Nigeria, Massacre, and the list goes on. Black Cry, you know, the list goes on. You see me? Yeah man. And big up to Russian. Yeah man, Russian continuously find the top rhythm them for the artists them. You see me? Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, leave a take down below. Let me know who feel like take the rhythm. You see me?
To teach me, put a little pressure on me, and so you're brawling.
Up in a foreign, up in a foreign, up in a civilization, you're my son, up in a foreign. We up in a foreign. Hey, turn the video for me. Me and my son up in, me and my son up in a foreign. And all of me there find me in a pants in a foreign.
Alright, so Hughes jump on an interview, or should I say a podcast, and he might talk about the Vendetta boss. He might talk about the difficulties that came with the interview, and you know, he might talk about things, viewers and subscribers. So I go play the audio and make you hear what Hughes say about Alkaline. So pre this.
I prepared so much for that interview. Right? You know, because I asked you know. And the first sign of trouble began when he arrived late for the interview. Very late for the interview. And then in trying to, I don't know this man,
Yes.
You know me, don't know nothing about
Exactly.
music. I tried to find out a little bit about him before the interview started. Of course, I did the readings and whatever. And I noticed he was almost aloof. Yes. He wasn't communicative.
Yeah, it wasn't engaging. It was just sort of just there.
But I figured that
Maybe when the camera come on, and the light go on,
he would wake up and,
yes,
you know.
because you have some people who are like that. They're not
Exactly.
really interested in matter before. They just want to get to the meat of the matter.
But, honeybee, I asked the man, where were you born? Where did you go to school? I prepared so much for that in school. Who was your principal at school? How many subjects you got?
He must say no member I'm subject them. I mean, I said, no, this is insane.
Well, let me tell you something. In all my nearly 40 years, I tried every trick in the book.
Cliff, me see I sweat out there. Me say, look,
I
look
tried.
how this man I do my own Cliff.
No. It was painful.
So Cliff Hughes, I could know say, yo, the interview was painful. The entertainer was hard to deal with. Him barely giving off any answer to any question that Cliff Hughes asked him. Plus, I know say he must say Alkaline reached late. So a be things Cliff Hughes I talk about. So if you want to see the full interview, you can, or should I say podcast, you can go over to Nationwide and watch it. You know what I mean? A bag of people I talk about the interview same way. Some people I say, yo, Alkaline don't know if you do interviews and a bag of things. I don't think I'm going to get into that because I don't know what I'm going to say already. Alkaline know how to do interview. I feel like all of this is just mind game, but I'm not going to get into that. You know what I mean? I'm just leaving a take down below. If you don't want to see the full video, like I said, go over to Nationwide. Go check it out. Yeah, man. So to all my viewers, them, remember if you're new to over here, subscribe, leave a like, and feel free to comment. You see me? Big up on yourself and catch you in another one.